It's really interesting, Laura, here because quite clearly gold is a hedge against inflation. That's one of the reasons why it keeps on going. And of course, people are worried now about the very strong level of that US dollar as well.
Of course, we did see the US dollar picking up to 5-month highs last night. That was, of course, on the back of that stronger inflation print. It was stronger than expected. That's pushed back market expectations for a rate cut to potentially September now, and that's been impacting commodity prices, in particular gold prices, which is why they did fall last night. But that pick back up today was really driven by the tensions in the Middle East.
So that's the other thing about this. Any tension around the world is going to see these pickups. So these pickups are not just due to inflation and people trying to find safe havens, but as you point out, it's also the tensions around the world, especially in the Middle East, which becomes highly sensitive.
That's absolutely correct. And the other thing that we've been seeing on the back of these tensions in the Middle East is oil prices picking up. So if we have a look at what happened with energy stocks on the share market today, the big players, Woodside and Santos, were up, and we did see the energy sector actually performing best. We also saw the materials sector up quite substantially. They were the second best performer, and that was basically on the back of the gold stocks picking up today.
I'll tell you what, Laura Besarati, good to have you on the program. Many thanks for your time today.
Thanks, Ross.
Actually, Laura there gives me a good hint that maybe some of this movement in Bitcoin and gold could also be to do with people looking for safe havens in very, very tough countries.